In this video, we're going to make a presentation inside of Adobe Express. This is using the features available as of August 2024. Now what I'm going to do here is basically show you how to create something from scratch. However, I realize in many cases, it's going to make more sense for most people to look at a template to get started. In that case, you can search by keyword, and that can help you quickly find something that's in line with what you want to make, and then you can refine it from there. Keeping that in mind, I still want to show you how you can build something from scratch. You will develop skills that will help you customize a template that you may find for future use. Let's get started. I'm going to start by creating a background. Additionally, I'm going to use the colors from that title page. I'm going to use the colors in the title page as the foundation for the colors that will be utilized for the rest of the presentation. Now, I'm not going to build the complete presentation, but I'm going to build 5 or 6 pages in total. This will give you an idea of how you would develop your own. Let's go ahead and start by going to the media category. I'm going to select text to image. Go ahead and pick widescreen. I'm going to type in presentation background, warm ocean and hurricane, color theme blue and orange. Now we can wait and see what we will get as the end result. Take a look at these. These all look pretty dramatic. I will select this one here. Any of these could work for what I want to accomplish. I'm going to scale this up. Now, the next thing I want to do is go ahead and create a title. I'm going to go to text. Now this is going to be based off a website that I found called sciencebuddies.org. It gave me some ideas on what to create for this video. In connection with that site, I also grabbed information from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration site. I'll go ahead and link where I found everything in the description of this video. I just modified the information a bit for this example. I'm going to call this my science project. Do warmer seas make stronger hurricanes? We'll go ahead and select this, and I'm going to change the font. I'm going to look for something else. Let's make this smaller. Okay. Actually, this all needs to be capital. I'll add a question mark here. I'm going to do alignment, left alignment. I'm going to select all of this, Command or Control A, depending on whether you have a Mac or a PC. Let me go to fill. I'm going to make that white. Okay. All right. So that's looking pretty good. Now I'm going to look at this here, and you might be thinking the same thing. Well, this isn't super easy to read. Yes, I can read it, but it could be easier. What I'm going to do in order to fix this is I'm going to go over here to Element. I'll grab a shape, more specifically a rectangle. I'll take this rectangle here. I'm going to bring this down like so. Bring this over like that. Click here on my layers. Make sure I can see my layers. Drag this below. Then I'm going to pick a color here from my background image. I'm going to bring the opacity down a little bit so you can still see some of that background. I'm going to go ahead and lock this. All right. I'm going to select both of these by dragging. I'm going to press group. Now these are grouped together. All right, I will go ahead and grab the text box here. I will move this down. Let's add a fictional name here. Now I'm going to make this smaller, stretch this out. Now I'm going to bring this down a little bit more, make this bold as well. Now we're done. So that's going to be our title page. We're going to use this as a reference to build everything else. So now what I want to do is grab some colors here. I want to grab 3 colors. I'm going to use these 3 colors as the primary colors for the rest of my presentation. I'm going to go to Elements, and I'll grab some more of these. I'm going to copy it. I'm just pressing Command C, Command V. I'm going to move them down. Okay. We already have that one color, which is that color blue. I'm going to select this one, go to Fill. I'm going to choose that orange color. I'm going to close this, go to Fill, select this lighter color here in the center. Now these are the 3 colors that I'm going to use for the rest of the project. I'll see you in the next video as we continue working on this presentation in Adobe Express. Thanks for watching.